whakarongo ki te tangi a te korimako. Kōrero flowing out the hook of force. Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds, kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount. Nāku nā whakapiri mai ki te kaupapa tino whakahira hira whakarongo pi kari kari mai. Hare hare mai, o Taringa hare hare mai. We gotta gather up close everybody. Gather up close everybody. Kani move that body. Kani move that body.
Whakapiri mai kia tata e ai ki te waiata hoki mai e hoa mā anei kia mātou te māpū o Taringa.
Te māpū o Taringa.
Te māpū o Taringa. You like that one?
I like it.
Yeah.
The mob.
The mob. The
Taringa
group.
mob.
The group. Here we are again, e te iwi, myself, Te Puaheiri and Erica, coming at you from Te Ipurau, Te Wānanga o Te Roa, from the bustling metropolis of Te Wamatu. Ghost riders in the sky. Kia ora koutou. And so welcome back again to this instalment of Taringa, and it is our pleasure to come back and have another kōrero.
Have another yarn.
Another yarn.
is.
E mahi yarn na te haere.
I quite like the setup. We're on a different setup today. We're on a bit of a table.
Yep.
And e pai tēnei hānea nea, comfortable.
Aye.
Comfortable.
Aye.
Anyway, have we got an episode for you? But before we get into it, ko tā tātou kiwa.
Me pūrua te moko.
Me pūrua te moko.
Me pūrua te moko.
Me pūrua te moko. Ana māu e whakamārama.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Not just once, but twice.
Oh.
Do it again so that it's...
What if you want to do it
sticks.
3 times? Can you go me pūtoru? Nah.
Me pūtoru.
Oh, is that where the rua comes from in the pūrua?
Oh.
Yeah. Have you got a maramatanga? We're going to insert maramatanga sound there.
Kua hina tore.
Kua hina tore, kua taka te kapa.
Kua taka te
Yeah.
kapa.
Anyway, back to me pūrua te moko.
So, actually, you give us the whakamārama to it because you were the one who informed me about it prior to this rikoata.
Yeah, it's a saying that's come about in the past couple of years, actually, and I think this is another one that can be attributed to, I could be wrong, to Pānea and Leon. They didn't make it up, but they found it in some kōrero, tuku iho. I think it comes from a whakatauki, and it's about going over the moko again because the moko hasn't taken to the skin. And for example, within our hapu, one of our kuia Matingaro, and some of her descendants may be listening, ngā huia, takuahine, her koroua was a tohunga tā moko, and he done her kauai, tana tehe o tārua, and it didn't take to her chin the first time, so he had to go over it again. Wasn't dark enough, so he went over the moko again.
Yeah.
Pūrua te moko, so the moko came out nice.
Nice, yeah, cool.
What a nice, as the nanny say. So yeah, koina taku mōhio nō reira te kianga, and now people have been using it, me pūrua te moko, as a saying to
do something again and again until it becomes like second nature, so it really sticks.
Reaffirming.
Sinks in.
Yeah.
Sinks in, yeah.
It's like the moko on your skin if you had to go over it again. Yeah. So koina tā tātou kōrero ki waha e hoa mā ki anga, me pūrua te moko.
Me pūrua te moko.
Hoi anō ki tā tātou kaupapa, Let's get to our kaupapa, and our kaupapa, we're in Kupu, by the way.
Kia ora.
E kōrero ana mō tētahi āhuatanga reo, āhuatanga o te reo. We've got a few things to talk about, and we've come up with this cool as byline, I guess, for Kupu today, and we're calling it Random
Rerenga
Reo.
Random Rerenga Reo.
Don't forget that.
Rerenga Reo.
Random Rerenga Reo. I do that. One of the cousins, Ronnie, I say Ronnie.
Yeah, Ronnie.
Kia ora, Ronnie. Kia ora, Ronnie, if you're listening.
Yes.
Look, you got a plug.
Meitake Ronnie.
Meitake atupaka.
I got a friend and we call her Rachacha.
Rachacha.
Her name's Rachel.
That's cool. Rachacha.
Hoi anō, kia ora tātou. So, Random Rerenga Reo. And we're going to be talking about a few things where we had a discussion amongst ourselves, and there's some things that people want sort of clarifying about.
Yeah.
Clarification.
Yeah.
The big thing was actually trying to label this. Like, what do we call it? Probably the only hui we have about is what we call. What do we call this episode? And it's like, well, it's got this, it's got that, it's got this. It's pretty random.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
And we're talking about some rerenga, and that's about te reo. So
And it's about reo. So.
random rerenga reo. Nō reira. Kōrero, random rerenga reo tuatahi.
Tuatahi, kāore aku.
Oh, yes.
Kāore aku, kāore oku. Erika, you can start this one.
Yeah, so I brought this one up because I felt like this one, when I learnt about it, this came from our conversation about plurals before. When you negate something, you negate it in the plural form. So I wouldn't say like kāore taku tamaiti. I would say kāore aku tamaiti. Tamaiti is a singular, eh?
Yeah.
So here we go. So I would say kāore aku tamariki.
Yeah.
I don't have any children.
Yeah.
Kāore aku tamariki.
I wouldn't really say I don't have one.
No.
Or I don't have a.
And you could say
Kāore he
I don't
tamariki.
have a tamariki, yeah.
kāore aku tamariki, kāore aku tamariki.
Kāore aku, kāore aku.
Yeah. So we've talked about how the aku is noa,
Yep.
neutral.
Neutral, yeah.
Yeah, so that's right. You refer to it in the plural all the time when you say you haven't got something.
Even if you're asked if you have a singular or something.
Yeah.
So he pene tau.
Yeah.
Kāore aku pene.
Yeah.
I
Kāore
haven't-
aku pene.
I reckon the best way the English equivalent to that would be I haven't any.
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't any.
I haven't any pens.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Instead, I haven't.
Good one. That's a good one.
Yeah.
haven't any.
That's how the only way I can see it.
What about, so in the mornings at karakia, and when the circle goes around and you don't have any pānui, kāore aku pānui.
Yeah. Kāore aku pānui.
Kāore aku pānui.
But a lot of people say kāore he pānui.
Yeah, kāore he pānui. Is
Yeah.
that still tika or?
I was just saying there's not a pānui.
Kāore he
There's not a
pānui.
pānui.
Yeah, there's no pānui.
There's no pānui.
Yeah.
But if you say I haven't anything,
Yeah.
I haven't a pānui.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so e te iwi, we're fortunate at Te Wānanga Aotearoa, at any place, any campus, any site of Te Wānanga Aotearoa within New Zealand at 8:30 or 8:45 every morning, we have karakia. And so this is one of the contexts where a lot of people use, when they say they haven't anything to say, a lot of people will say kāore he pānui. But if you're listening, kaimahi, or anyone else, you say kāore aku pānui.
Yes. And just a couple of weeks ago, I was having this very conversation with somebody because they said, he pānui koutou?
Are you a pānui?
Yes.
It's written now, love in your face.
You don't have to say a
I
word.
don't know this one.
Oh, yeah, no mohi rāno, no mohi rāno. And I went up later and said, oh, tohine, it's he pānui a koutou? She's like, oh, what did I say? And I said, oh, you just asked if everybody's a pānui. She's like, right. And someone else asked, what's your answer if you say I haven't got any pānui? And it's a kāore aku pānui.
Kāore aku pānui.
Yep.
Yeah, because I, being a learner, I might mistake kāore he pānui for somebody saying they're not a pānui.
Yeah, so if I was to say I'm not a pānui, like
E
if I was
hara
to...
au I te pānui.
Ana.
E hara au I te pānui.
E
I'm
hara-
not a pānui.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Could you use e hara to say you don't have any pānui?
Kao.
Nah,
then-
because something has to exist before you can say e hara. So,
Oh, wow.
yeah.
But if
Okay.
you were to use, now we're getting to see, that's why this is called random.
Random
Rerenga reo.
reo.
E hara, don't forget, is also a kiwaha.
Kia ora.
E hara, e hara.
Yep.
E hara.
So someone could say, he pānui a koutou?
E hara.
Yep.
E hara.
And they'll go, oh, yep, kāore ana pānui,
Yeah.
if they didn't know the kiwaha.
And then, hey, you said e hara.
I said, of course I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, hara.
Yeah.
E hara.
Yes, certainly I do.
Certainly.
Yeah.
And again, you know, kāore aku, kāore ana, kāore au. Yeah. Like, oh, kāore o moni.
Yeah.
You don't have any money.
Yeah.
Kāore o moni.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
then see, even there, going back to that plural,
Yeah.
in the negation, you're still using the plural
Yeah.
form.
And regularly anyway, money is plural because
Ah.
do you have $1? Do you
Yeah.
have money? Do you have,
Yeah.
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 He moni au, he moni. He a, he o rānei te moni.
He a.
He a.
Yeah.
He ai ai.
He ai ai te moni. Because it's an object.
Oh, he tapu tapu.
Yeah.
Kia ora.
And you notice there, now if you're getting confused, but Praone said kāore o moni, but he said o, not...
He said o.
But
Now that-
or as in
And then you're going to
you.
write it down and you go...
Yours.
Yeah.
or with the macron.
You're not saying or as in you're putting the moni in the or category.
No,
Yeah.
it's plural. And that is an or category, that or. Kāore o moni.
Kāore o moni.
Right?
yeah,
This
yeah, yeah.
or that I'm talking about now, say kāore o pene, ne, is neutral. Whereas if I was to go into AO category, I'd say kāore au pene. Au pene.
AU.
AU, macron on the O, on the A, sorry.
Yeah.
Kāore au pene.
Au for plural.
Yep. Kāore o pōtai. He pōtai o.
Or.
Yeah.
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 Te pōtai o, do you have any hats? Kāore o ku pōtai, I have no hats. Got no hats. I haven't any hats.
So if you're listening, it's I guess it's a bit harder to understand what you're... Sometimes when you're listening to it, but if you see these words, they have macrons.
Yeah.
Au has AU with a macron, and you can see the or without a macron. So that's what we're trying to emphasise.
Yeah.
Where were we going through? Kāore aku pānui.
Kāore aku pānui.
Kāore aku pānui.
Kāore aku tamariki. Kāore ana tamariki. Kāore ana kuri. Kāore o roro.
Yeah.
Kāore o roro, you got no brains.
Kāore o roro.
Kāore o na roro, he's got no brains.
Yeah.
An interesting thing anyway with brains, even if we weren't using that sentence structure, brains is always plural.
Yeah.
So o na roro, his brains. It's not brains,
Even though we
we
only
say
have
brain.
one brain.
Well,
Yeah.
but there's lots of parts that make up your brain.
Yeah.
I
So
suppose.
in whakaaro Māori, it's o roro.
O
Yeah.
roro.
Anyway,
O roro.
yeah. Ko o na roro, o ku roro. Yeah. He roro o, do you have any brains?
He
Yeah.
poko kaura.
What about hinengaro?
Hene ngaro.
Is that a plural or what's the opposite to plural?
Singular.
Singular.
Kia hau kotahi te hene ngaro.
Yeah, ko tahi
O
te
te
hinengaro.
tangata.
Yeah. And hinengaro, again, now we think the seat of our mind is in our heads, but there's times when our mind is in our heart.
In our
Yeah.
heart or in our
And
puku.
yeah, whakaaro Māori,
Right now.
whakaaro Māori, your hinengaro is over here.
Yeah.
It's not till later, science says, oh, well, our conscience and all of these things that exist.
Is up there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so hinengaro singular. Whakaaro can be both. Taku whakaaro, my
Kia ora.
thought.
Oh, yeah,
Oku
yeah.
whakaaro, my
yeah.
thoughts.
Whakaaro, yeah.
So there's this debate going on about a and o in terms of whakaaro. So when someone says, he whakaaro tāku, and I'm perplexed because to me I've learned that he whakaaro he wahanga o te tangata or he
He wahanga no te tangata.
no, he wahanga no te tangata. So to me it's an o. So how can it be a, or is there a way in which people can justify that it's an a category?
The only time I've heard personally that I've had whakaaro in the A category is when they're talking about a koha.
Kia ora.
Yeah. So he whakaaro tēnei nāku. So in that instance, because koha is also referred to as a whakaaro,
Kia ora.
I remember one time I was at a hui and I said, oh, well, he hui reo Māori tēnei, so it was hui i roto i te reo, but there were people that weren't aware of this expression. And I said, anei tētahi kōpaki mō a koutou whakaaro.
Kia ora.
And someone came up and said, he o te whakaaro, tuatahi, tuarua, me pewhia te whakauru i oku whakaaro ki roto i tēnā kōpaki. And then I explained, ko te whakaaro i tēnei horopaki,
Yeah.
he koha.
E koha, yeah.
So a koha can all be referred to as a whakaaro.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one. So they were actually talking about their thoughts. He
Yeah,
whakaaro
and so
tēnei, tāku whakaaro tēnei.
Ia e whakaaro ana, koinei ngā whakaaro, koinei aku whakaaro I puta, as if like, yeah, I just wanted to put that on out there.
Well, that can be something we have a wānanga about. Yeah.
What about he whakaarotanga mō tātou?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah, whakaarotanga
Oh, right.
mō tātou.
mō tātou.
Yeah. So these are thoughts in relation to us.
Oh, okay, so it's not something for us to ponder.
Yep. He
yeah.
whakaarotanga mā tātou.
Koina, so
Yeah.
koina te rerekētanga,
Yes.
mā tātou nā te mea,
Yeah,
he
when
mahi.
when you stick a tanga on it,
Yeah,
it becomes it's different.
it becomes a noun.
In that instance, hei whakaarotanga mā tātou. So this is something for us to think about.
Kia ora.
Ponder. Yeah.
Random rerenga reo
There
e
you
te
go, we
iwi.
told you guys. It's going to be random rerenga kōrero. Engari, they are things that are spoken about a lot. I roto i te reo when people are learning.
Yeah.
Even when, you know, accomplished speakers, these are discussions that are had.
Yeah.
But you just touched on more and ma. More to me sounds like it's for. But then if it's ma, is it still the same thing? But just then that's the a and or category?
Yeah, it changes the relationship. So and or always indicates the relationship between two things. So the way I understand it, it changes. So what I said there, like whakaarotanga mō tātou, and he gave his whakapākehā. What was it? He whakaarotanga mō tātou. It was something about us.
Yeah.
And when I said he whakaarotanga mā tātou, it was something for us to ponder.
Yeah.
So you can see where, where you can get things wrong just by an and or.
Yeah.
Or how you can totally change the meaning of a kōrero.
Yeah.
So one example I remember that Pānia taught us was mo te kōhua.
Pānia papa.
Pānia papa. Tēnā koe, Pānia papa. And see, now I have to get this right.
She could be listening.
She could be listening.
Yes.
She will be there with her notebook.
Don't want to do her any
Yeah, she already
injustice.
has a long list of my things I need to get right. But mo te kōhua e nei riwai. These are for the pot. Mā ngā manuhiri.
For the visitors?
Yeah, because he kai mā rātou. But this is for the pot. Geez, I hope I got that right.
Can you say that again,
Can you
please?
say it again?
Mo te kōhua e nei riwai. Mm-hmm. So this
These riwai are
for that
the
pot. Yeah, there's all those for them. Mā ngā manu, he kai mā ngā manuhiri. So the more relationship of where those riwai, where those potatoes will go to. So they are to go into the pot. And they are for the manuhiri, but he mā nā te me he kai.
Oh.
Yeah.
So the first one, the more, is showing the relationship between the riwai and the pot.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
But I thought both the riwai and the pot were ours.
To us.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
The riwai is going to be a part of the pot.
Yeah, that's the
Mo te
right,
kōhua.
okay.
Mo
Yeah.
te tunu, ne?
Mo te
Yeah,
tunu,
yeah, yeah,
mo te
yeah.
tunu, yeah. Back in whatever episode we did for wheke, that is the wāhanga kawe. Yeah.
He riwai e nei mo te kōhua mā ngā manuhiri.
Mā ngā manuhiri.
Hei kai mā ngā manuhiri.
Me purua te moko.
Me purua te moko.
Pūrua te
Oh,
moko.
gosh.
Yeah.
If I was to say, so we'll use panipani now.
Kia ora.
So panipani ointment, which comes under one of the kawe of the wheke as a rongoa.
Rungoa.
And using mō mā, I could say, he panipani tēnei māu mōu.
Kia ora.
In one sentence. He panipani tēnei
is-
māu mōu.
This is my ointment for you.
This is the ointment you're going to use for yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, mau, mo. Yeah.
He panipani tēnei māu mōu.
How te
Oh, okay. So
What's the
Yeah.
mā
the
bit?
mau is because it's an ointment, but you're
Māu,
using it.
because you're going to use it.
Oh, he mahinga
Yeah.
mō tō
Yes.
haki.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
So this
think
is
I get that.
yeah. So this is the panipani you're going to use. He panipani tēnei māu
Yeah.
mōu to use on you.
Yeah.
For
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Ne?
So the mau is the mahi bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
But-
mō is the whakaora.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if I said he panipani tēnei nāku mōu,
Kia ora.
say I made this panipani
Yeah.
for you.
Something that Trina Edwards would do. No essentials.
No
plugged in.
essentials.
No
Yeah.
essentials. Yeah.
Actually,
Tēnā koe.
Lee Tāne.
Li tāne. Kia ora.
Yeah.
Kia ora.
No essentials.
No essentials.
Say
Yeah.
I made this panipani. Yeah.
Mō. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nāku mō.
And you could apply the same to a shirt or something.
Yeah,
He-
yeah.
He tiha te tēnei nāku.
So nāku because it's an object.
Nāku because I made it.
Because he made
Oh,
it.
because you made it.
So
Yeah.
there I'm saying I made it. So to an accomplished speaker, or if two people that e mohi ana ki te ā me te o, didn't really know ā and o, if they heard someone say, oh, he tiha te tēnei nāku, they'd know, oh, that person made that.
Made
made
it.
it, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh, is
Yeah.
that sort of like when you use nā datara I tito?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
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 Nāku tēnei whare. When someone says that,
Yeah.
Yeah.
they could have built the house.
Okay.
Yeah. Nāku
Okay.
tēnei whare mō aku tamariki. Yeah.
Nāku era whakahua?
Yeah.
Yep.
Could I use
I tango?
that? Yeah, I tango.
Oh, i.
Whakahua.
Oh,
I whakahua.
Nāku era whakahua.
I tango.
Well,
Māori.
whakahua is an interesting one.
Kia ora.
Yeah, yes.
let's
Can
go
we
there.
talk about that, please?
Okay. Hea tēnei, Erika, mai whakapakea. Nāku tēnei whakahua ōku.
These are my photographs that I made.
Tata, nāku
Tēnei.
tēnei whakaro, nāku tēnei whakahua ōku.
Or these are, I took
This
these
is-
photos of myself.
Yes.
This is a photo of myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I took this photo of myself.
Yeah.
Oh, I took.
Or
yes,
This
I
is
done
a
the mahi.
selfie.
Yeah. Or it could be this photo of myself belongs to me.
Yeah. This photo
So
of
it depends. Yeah, but
So nā wai tēnei whakahua
or
or
praone.
Yeah.
That's a good one. So
Yeah.
who?
So who took this photo of
Yeah.
Parone?
Yep. And
Nāku,
yep, nāku.
tēnei whakahua
Yeah,
o
or, how,
Parone. Oh,
Yeah.
right.
or how would you say, who took this photo of you?
Nā wai I...
Nā wai tēnei whakahua o?
Yep.
Yeah.
Nā wai tēnei whakahua o. Who took this photo of you?
Who took this photo of it? Nāku tēnei whakahua ōku.
Yeah.
Okay.
I took this photo of myself.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't use like tango or hopu because whakahua already sums up the mahi.
That's
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
Ahua
So
is the
e te iwi,
Yeah.
stop saying
tango.
tango whakahua.
Because then you're
Me
saying
pūrua te mogo, pūrua
Yeah.
te mogo.
took, caught,
Yeah.
and you're doubling it.
Yeah.
He kai whakahua
Yeah.
aho.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I ngā rā whakatā, I haere au ki te awa o rau kua kore,
Kia ora.
I whakahua ai. Would I say that? I wouldn't say I...
I haere au ki te awa o rau kua kore, whakahua ai.
Whakahua
Oh,
ai.
yeah. Kore kau
Mahi
he I.
whakahua ai.
Mahi whakahua ai.
Yeah. Ka pai.
So,
To
yeah.
take photos.
Yeah.
So it's like saying, I tango au I tēnei whakahua mai I te pātū. I took this photo of the...
Of this photo.
So if you're using tango, that's what you're actually saying, eh?
Yeah, to take something,
That's
eh?
right. It's following whakaro Pākehā.
Whakaro Pākehā, yeah. So how would you ask someone, take a photo of us? Whakahua mai?
Whakahua tia mai.
Whakahua tia mai?
Yeah.
Whakahua tia mai.
Yeah. Whakahua tia mai.
Ka pai.
Whakahua tia mai mātou, whakahua i a mātou.
Whakahua i a mātou.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go, te iwi.
Cool.
Yeah.
Me purua
That's a
te moko.
random rerenga reo.
Random rerenga reo.
So I'm just looking at āhua and the translation that it has here. To form, make, the noun, shape, appearance, condition, character, likeness. Oh, likeness.
So what happens when you add the prefix? Yeah.
To make it a likeness.
Yeah. It makes it the kupu mahi, eh?
Yeah. When we're saying, we'll make it like that person, make it into your āhua,
Yeah.
your likeness. Make it
Yeah.
into your likeness.
Okay.
Not convinced?
While you were talking about, while you're thinking, and I think about the word āhua as when I remember hearing, or you still hear it now, e kite anau I te āhua o tō kuia.
Yeah.
I can see all the likeness of
The
your
likeness,
kuia within
yeah.
your te āhua o tō māma.
Yeah.
Yeah, āhua. And what was the other formed is the other one?
Form, yeah.
Yeah.
To form.
So we've got a karakia in Tainui, we say tānei āhua, tānei āpua ki te pōiriuri ki te pōtangotango. Tāne who was formed in the night.
Formed in the night.
Yeah. I āhua noa mai ku I whea. Where were you formed from?
Oh.
Kūli, tānei i āhua.
Yeah. And then there's that sort of like the word ahu.
Come from? Aua. I don't want to,
Don't want to break down too many
Yeah,
I
words.
don't want to do...
So we might give false.
That's right.
Random.
Some of the ones going around on Facebook at the moment.
Yes, there are a few.
Yeah.
Au e, ka
Like-
tīkoro ngā karuka, kiad.
They're really like romanticizing some of the words.
Very much so.
Yeah.
And tino kimi.
Tino
Tino
kimi.
kimi. I mean, and, you know, etahi o nā mātanga reo nei, they have, e me nā kaumāt, e me tahi o tātai kupu, a lot of our words you can do that, and some of them you can't, and you
can't.
just leave them.
Yeah.
Like Pākehā is one.
Yeah, but that's the one that's going around a lot.
I've seen lots of things on Facebook say, yeah, waiho tērā ki te tahi.
Waiho tērā.
But whakāhua is made up of two words,
Yeah.
and āhua, and the prefix whaka.
Yeah.
Whakāhua.
Kei now a and a. How te rerekētanga. So, haha...
What kind
We're just
of
having
one?
we're having which I'm trying to find. Which one should we start with? What was your question earlier?
Oh, mine was the, you know when you use a sort of like and? I haere ahau ki te awa, comma, a, comma,
Yeah.
I whakahua ahau.
I te,
I te
a.
I whakahua koe i te awa.
I te rangi.
Yep, so that's that are. So that's,
Yeah.
that denotes and or time after, time thereafter. Yeah. And
Does that have...
as well.
As well.
And as well, yeah.
Oh, so as well as going to the river,
Yeah.
I took photos.
Yeah.
Does that have a macron?
Yes.
Yeah. Would it be more, I don't know, correct to use a instead of me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because is me a new thing?
What do you mean?
Oh, when people just see and go me.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
no.
Court and tango.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
No, you do not use me in that way.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why?
Because you don't.
Like if I said I haere ahau ki te awa,
Yeah.
me te whakahua. That sounds weird.
Yeah. See, you already know. Sometimes you
Yeah.
already know that
Yeah.
it doesn't
You use
sit.
a or ka mutu,
Kamutu.
which is a
Furthermore.
kiwaha, which is a kiwaha to bring two sentences together, to join two sentences or actions together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So haere ki te awa ka mutu I mahi whakahua ahau.
Okay. Ka mutu.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's
Okay.
another kiwaha for you guys, kamutu. So if
Kamutu.
you hear it, don't go, oh, they finished
And
at
yeah,
the hour.
that doesn't mean they finished. Okay.
Yeah. So that me, and I have heard people use that me.
Yeah, I have heard it before too.
When they start learning. But no, you don't use me like that.
Okay. Because me is more like you should.
Yes, and there, and again,
sometimes.
that's a different way. That's a different me. So
Yeah.
that's a command.
That's a
It's
yeah.
whakahau.
Okay.
Yeah,
Me whakahua koe.
yeah.
Me
Take a
pūrua,
photo.
me
Yeah.
pūrua,
Me pūrua te moko.
me pūrua te moko.
Yeah, double over your moko. Do your moko twice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do it twice, thrice. Koina tērā me.
Okay.
Yeah, and then there's me and.
Yeah. Haere me o pēki. Go with your bags. Go and take your bags with you.
Me oku hoa
Yep.
Yep.
and my friends.
With my friends.
Oh, with
That-
my friends.
That's with that me.
Yeah,
okay.
haere me o hoa.
Aye.
Go with your friends.
But going back to what you wanted to start with, and
Yep, so you're talking about plural.
Plural, yeah.
So ā rātou pene.
A rātou pene.
Yep. Ngā pene ā rātou.
Kia ora.
Right? So their pens, ā rātou pene. Mm-hmm. Ngā pene ā rātou.
Arato as in there's only one of them. Well, there's not.
No, still their pens.
Still there, pens, yeah.
Ngā pene ā rātou pene. Nera. So
Yeah.
ā rātou pene, macron on the A there. The rule of when you're using ngā pene ā rātou, that ā, because of the ngā, makes that ā redundant. The macron on there.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Kia ora.
So when you write it as such. Ngā macron always has a ngā. It
Yeah.
always has a
Always has a
macron.
ngā. No matter the day, no
Ngā
matter the time.
pene ā, it's no macron.
Kia ora.
Rātou.
That
Yeah.
just becomes a thing possessive.
Yeah.
Depends
A
of
thing
them.
possessive. There you go.
A thing possessive.
A thing possessive.
So ngā
yeah.
pene ā rātou. And I want to get back to, we're going back there now. All is O category.
Kia
All
ora.
category, plural.
Yeah.
So all poraka.
So,
Your jerseys.
okay.
All poraka.
Your
jerseys. No, your jerseys.
Oh.
Neutral.
Neutral.
Oh, right.
Right?
Yeah.
Or, but that's all with a macron, right?
Yeah.
That's neutral.
Oh, what?
Yeah. When I'm talking to somebody directly,
Yep.
unless I use it about them, then it becomes O category. And this is where people get mixed up.
Yeah,
I've
yeah,
seen.
kia ora.
So I'd say, to you, all poraka, your jerseys. All poraka, your jerseys.
Still my jerseys.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but the first one is neutral. I'm not using
Okay.
A or O category, right?
And that still has a tohu tō.
Yeah.
That
Does
one
it?
does.
Oh, yeah.
Or poraka. When you're talking directly to somebody.
Yeah.
Or koutou. Ne? Or
Oh,
koutou.
yeah.
right.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
Or-
if you were to say, to make that a singular jersey, you'd to be neutral still, you say tō.
Yeah, tō.
Ah, kia ora.
Okay, tō.
Yeah.
But it's only ever to one person, right?
Yep.
So it's a group,
Yep.
ne? O koutou tūpuna,
Yep.
ne? Now, this is where people get mixed up because they think, oh, because I'm talking to a group and because O is O category, O koutou tūpuna. No,
Oh,
it's
right.
O koutou tūpuna.
Does the
O is always to you.
Yeah.
O, tō.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Always
yeah.
singular when I mean talking to one person.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So, o tupuna,
Yeah.
Yeah.
o tupuna, your ancestors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? Soon as I make it a group, that o with the macron becomes o category.
Oh, category, yep.
There's no neutral. Neutral is always to a singular.
Kia ora.
Oh.
Why is that?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's just random.
So, o koutou tupuna. Ne? O koutou tupuna. Now, same for, if I'm talking to someone over there,
Yep.
ana poraka,
Yep.
Yeah.
or ona poraka. So
Yeah.
you've got the neutral, ana poraka, no macron.
Yeah.
Ona poraka, his
Oh,
jerseys.
category.
And if I was to say ana poraka, I would be saying he made those
He
jerseys.
made those jerseys.
Oh.
Yeah.
Exactly what we were saying
Ana.
before.
Yeah,
Remember
yeah,
when
yeah,
we were
yeah.
saying nāku tēnā
Yeah,
hate?
yeah.
Yeah.
Ngā poraka o praone, again, that o doesn't require a macron.
A macron. Wow.
Because
Because
you've
I've
got
got
it
the
on
ngā.
the ngā.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ngā
So you've already
poraka o
stated it's a
praone.
plural.
That's right.
Okay.
So, yeah. And people get it confused with the o.
Yeah. Yeah,
Particularly
yeah.
the o tupuna
Yep.
is the same as, o tupuna.
And that's to
You're
a,
using
that's,
the O
that's
category.
regarding a single person you're referring
Yes.
to, or you're talking to.
O tupuna.
Yep. All two.
O tupuna. Single again.
Yep.
And when I'm talking to a group, when I say o koutou tupuna, it's in the o category.
It's a no category. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But you would never say o koutou.
All koutou,
Oh,
yeah.
good.
Oh,
Yeah.
good.
Actually, it
It's
doesn't even
always-
really sound right.
Yeah.
No, but I hear it and I see it because people are practicing their A,
They are,
their
they
O
are
category.
A's, and they think, yeah. I can see where that happens.
And with the ngā is the other one when I see it written.
Yeah, yeah.
And people go, well, really, does it matter? Well, yes, it does matter.
Yeah, I
So
think
if you're going to write, and we use the written language to communicate, and we've been doing it for years and years.
yeah.
And then other people see it done wrong and then they
That's
think
right.
it's right and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
they carry it on.
I actually want to touch on that, like when there's a part where you can allow for mistakes, and then you get to a certain level where it's time to, you're trying to correct yourself all the time. But yeah, when you have people saying, does it really matter? Yeah, it does matter. There is an excellence in English, there's an excellence in Te Reo Māori, there's an excellence in every language, so yeah, there is a time to be right. He te he tika te tika.
That's right.
So
Koina hoki.
yeah, so yeah, if you don't be discouraged by always making things correct. It's just that's how it is. Yeah.
And
What's
again,
another
with
one?
au.
Oh.
So au, talking directly to the person.
Yep. Oh, kupu.
Au kupu, your words. O kupu, your words.
Yep.
But the o kupu there is, again, neutral.
Neutral.
Au kupu, your words, A category. A koutou kupu.
A koutou kupu. Oh, I get it now. It derives from tau and tō, eh?
Yes.
Pehea tau.
Yeah.
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 Hea o whakaro.
Yeah.
Che.
Could you know how you said o kupu and that's the neutral?
Yeah.
Could you not also do a kupu as the neutral?
Au kupu, your words.
Yeah.
O kupu,
Your words.
Neutral. Not a A, not a O.
O shows the A. O gives the A category. O is the O, not O.
O.
Yeah.
O kupu.
Yeah.
Okay.
O kupu. O
Yeah,
kupu.
yeah.
Neutral.
Neutral.
O kupu.
So
Kapai?
then when
And
would you
kupu are
use...
always,
And
kupu's
then
always A
koutou,
neutral,
a
innit?
koutou kupu.
A koutou kupu. Because kupu is an A.
Kupu is a
Kupu
A.
is an A. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so how come you can't just say a kupu? Can you not have a...
The kupu a praone.
The
This
kupu
is the
a.
word of praone.
Yeah.
Okay.
The
So you
kupu a
can
praone.
in certain...
Yeah, but say
Context.
so one
That's
to one.
different. That's ownership. That's, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's ownership. But when you're referring to someone, you just put the U on at the end.
Yeah.
Au kupu. O whakaro, au kupu.
If I was saying ko tāku tamariki,
Tamaiti.
tamaiti, yeah, because tamariki is plural.
Yeah.
If I was saying ko tāku tamaiti,
Yeah.
would the neutral for that be taku or toku?
Taku.
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 Neutral is always, when it's taku, it's always taku.
Yeah. Taku
And
is
always aku.
There's no neutral or.
There's no the only neutral
that-
or, yeah.
Is that one that you were saying?
Yeah, when
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
talking to someone, you're.
Yeah, your.
Okay, when you,
Yeah. Then that is the neutral or.
Yeah.
when you're talking to them directly.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the
Then
one.
you use the
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
for the neutral.
Yeah. Oh, I think e nui te rā mo te au, o, or.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
heaps.
Yeah.
Pehea koutou i te kaila. Ko pahu te hirikapo.
So this is a way that you can acknowledge somebody, and you would say, e mihi ana hau ki a koe, so I acknowledge you, mō I whakaaro mai ki au. Right? So I'm acknowledging you, mō I whakaaro mai ki au, for you that thought about me.
And so that has nothing to do with...
AO category.
Yeah.
No.
AO category doesn't
No.
have nothing to do, mō tēnei pani.
No.
This is
So, yeah. Oh, okay, I get it now.
Yeah.
I think
E mihi ana ki a koe, mō I hara mai.
mō I hara mai. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm thanking you for coming.
Oh, that's the same as what we just used in terms of au or whakaaro, eh? Yours a single reference to a person, mō...
Yeah. And again, you can say mō koutou,
Mō koutou.
mō kōrua.
Yeah.
E mihi ana ki te iwi, mō rātou,
Yep.
I tai mai.
I tai mai.
Yeah.
But then if you're speaking directly to one of us, then you change it to mo.
Mō. And if it's two, mō kōrua.
Mō kōrua.
Yeah.
Is there an instance where you use no?
No.
Yeah.
Not in that particular
Would
that be back in
sentence
that?
structure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
E,
So
blah,
that
blah.
that more there is for something. Is that the closest thing?
Yes, I think, that would be, for doing something. Even
Yeah,
though,
For
kupu
considering.
mihi tērā.
Kupu mihi. Yeah.
Yeah.
I find it hard to grasp it.
Yeah.
Well, I did.
Yeah, you've got to do away with the AO category.
Yeah.
When you're
So that's
using
where
that mō.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there you go, Tiwi. If you're
Yeah.
you get stuck into AO category, you start learning it, you get good at it, and then something comes in, hits you and knocks you out of AO category.
Oh, e mihi ana, e hoa tēnā koe, you can say it like that.
Yep.
Tēnā koe, mō I waiata mai.
True.
Like, thank you for singing to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay, could I say e mihi ana au ki a koe, mō I ako mai.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, mō I ako mai.
Yeah.
Kia koe.
Yeah.
So thank you for teaching me.
That's right. Yeah, e pai tēnā.
Kia ora.
Yeah. And you could even change it around. You can put the mō at the start.
At the start, eh?
Yeah. So mō I ako mai, tēnā koe.
Tēnā koe. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to use that.
Yeah.
It's a
there
very
you go.
Pūrua te moko.
Māori way to... Ana, me pūrua te moko.
Me pūrua te moko e hoa mā.
Yep.
I'm just writing these in my notes.
I'm going to be doing that.
I got more notes than a banker, but no sense.
E mihi anau ki a koutou, mō koutou, I whakarongo mai ki a mātou.
Kia ora.
And how tā tātou waiata e hoa ma?
E ai ki oku whakaaro
Ka pai.
ko haruru ana te
Ko
waiata.
haruru nana.
Ka mutu he tika o whakaaro, anei tā tātou waiata e te iwi haruru ana.
Haruru ana, te rongo pai nei, e hora hia nei e te reo. I runga I ngā iwi o te motu nei. E kore e whakawai mai, e whakararu I ngā tikanga. Hei huri te au te ture waiwa ki te ture tangata. Wakatia hotia hora, e te ropuranga tahi e. Ko te kaupapa o te maramatanga, kiari te kinga hihi o te rā. Nā reira e ngā iwi, kia tika te hoe mai te waka mei. Kei pari pari, kia te taika mone ne hute kura. Kei pari pari, kia te taika mone ne hute kura.
Me whakarongo pi kari kari.
Pai tēnā waiata ki au. Ka hoki aku mahara ki ngā wā o te pāti.
I was thinking the same thing. I remember when I used to hear like any sort of waiata Māori au e tamariki ana, and I'd go somewhere else and hear, hey, they got a waiata.
Yeah, they got our waiata.
Yeah.
That's my nanny's waiata. It's like,
Yeah. Hoi anō, ai, e me te harikoa o tērā waiata.
Ai,
me te
ai.
harikoa o tā tātou noho tahi
Kia ora.
i tēnei rā. And yeah, e te iwi. So I hope you enjoyed that random Rerenga reo.
Random Rerenga reo.
Yeah, I think we'll be having a few more of those.
Yeah, because we've been trying to put them into categories and stuff. And
And that is a whole nother wānanga. We're just trying to sort out the title for the category.
Yeah, and I think we'll start a thread on our Facebook page, Random Rerenga reo. You might want to share some things that you want us to talk about.
Yeah.
To explain, to have a wānanga about on Taringa, e nā, ka pēnā mātou.
Yep.
Nō reira, e miha tana kia koutou, mō koutou I whakarongo mai kia mātou I tēnei whakapāhotanga kia koutou ara, te whakapāhotanga o Taringa, e rere atu nei I te wānanga o te roa, e te iwi, hei kona mai rā tēnā rawa atu koutou katoa.
Ki o, whakarongo ki te tangi a te korimako Kōrero flowing out the hook of force Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds Kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount Nāku nā whakapiri mai ki te Kaupapa tino whakahira Whakarongo pi kari mai Hare mai, o Taringa hare mai We gotta gather up close everybody Gather up close everybody Kani move that body Kani move that body
Taringa. He mea tuku nā te wānanga o Aotearoa. To listen to more episodes, search for us on your podcast app and subscribe. Taringa. Whakarongo mai.